Hello, today I will be present about the physics in waste in sport. Certainly an interesting example of physics related to sport is the curve physics in football. This phenomenon can be explained by several physics principles such as the magnet effect when a football kick a spinning ball, the ball creates an asymmetrical airflow, resulting in different air pressures. This difference in pressures causes the ball to curve in the desired direction. The spin speed of the ball. The faster the ball spins, the more it curves. The kicking angle. Different kicking angles result in the different curving direction. Parabolic trajectory. When kicked, the ball moves in a parabolic trajectory, which is a result of Earth's gravity. The force used in the kick. Different kicking force result in the different distance traveled by the ball. The kicking angle. Different kicking angle result in the different distance traveled by the ball. Understanding this physics principle help football control the direction and curve of the ball move accurately.